Hello guys, so in this video we're going to look at all the questions that we could have used DSMOS but we didn't. Okay, so we'll start with number 4. It says the function g is defined by g of x is equal to x squared plus 9, for which value of x is g of x equal to 25. So you come right here and you enter your question as it is. So it's g of x is equal to x squared plus 9, right? And then this is the graph that we'll get. And then since the question is saying for which value of x is g of x equal to 25, so we then say g of x is equal to 25. And we come to our graph and we look at the points where the two lines meet. So we have this blue line for g of x is equal to 25, and we have this parabola here that's for x squared plus 9. Okay, so we come here, we get our coordinates, and we also come here and we get our coordinates. So for which value of x is g of x equal to 25? The value of x that we have is 4 and negative 4, but from our answers here we only have 4, so the answer would be A. And then moving on to the second question, number 7, it says the function f is defined by the equation f of x is equal to 7x plus 2. What is the value of f of x when x is equal to 4? So again, you type the question as it is. So it's f of x is equal to 7x plus 2. Okay, then we have our line. And then what is the value of f of x when x is equal to 4? So you then type here x is equal to 4. You come and you look for where the two intersect, and we have a point right here. All right, so the answer for number 7 is 4 and 30. Remember, it's asking what is the value of f of x. That's the y value. So the y value is 30. And then the third question was number 14. What is one of the solutions to the given equation? Okay, so we come here and we type our equation, and y is equal to z squared. Okay, z squared plus 10z minus 24. Okay, so we have our equation here. And then since our y is equal to 0, okay, so it's the same as saying y is equal to 0. We're looking at the intersection right here. We're looking at where the points are intersecting. So we have negative 12 for x, which is our z. So z is either negative 12 or z is positive 2. Okay, so what is one of the solutions? So it is either negative 12 or it is 2. And then number 25, it says in the xy plane, the graph of the equation y is equal to negative x squared plus 9x minus 100 intersects the line y equal to c at exactly one point. What is the value of c? So we come here and we type our equation. Y is equal to negative x squared plus 9x minus 100. Okay, we look for a graph. It's way down here. So intersects the line y equal to c at exactly one point. We don't know what that y is. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in these values and try to see whether we get exactly one point. So we'll start with A and we'll say y is equal to negative 481 over 4. Okay, we look at our graph, we look at the points of intersection. We have 2 points. We have A and B, of which this is incorrect because we want exactly 1 point. So that is incorrect. And then we'll try negative 100. Again, we have 2 points right here. Again, that is incorrect. So we'll try C, which is negative 300 19 over 4. There we go. Now we have exactly 1 point right here. So this is 1 point where the lines are intersecting. So we'll just go ahead and try D just to verify. So that's 9 over 2. Okay, negative 9 over 2. It's up there. They don't even intersect. So we get our answer is negative 319 over 4. So that is it, guys, when I'm using the DESMOS. So you find that sometimes it's easier to use the DESMOS, or other times it might be even easier for you to do it manually. So you just find what works best for you. See you in the next video.